Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a productive spot and confirming your gear. This is where success begins. Look for tidal flats, creek mouths, or marsh channels at low tide because shrimp concentrate there during ebbing water. Use a 3 to 6 foot cast net with 1/2 to 3/4 inch mesh and put on boots or waders so you can move quietly. Once done, approach slowly, watching for current seams and disturbance. Position yourself up current and prepare a bait or light if you plan to fish dawn or dusk. Now focus on reading the water and executing a clean cast. Scan for surface ripples, baitfish activity, or shimmer lines. Those indicate where shrimp are moving. Target seams where fast and slow water meet. Load the net with a smooth circular motion and step forward so your throw lands 1 to 2 meters beyond the visible activity. That gives the net space to settle. Use a sidearm cast for tight spots or overhead for distance, making sure weights are evenly spaced so the net opens and sinks quickly. Finish by retrieving and handling your catch correctly so nothing is lost. Pull the net straight toward shore with steady tension so the lead line seals. Collapse the net inward to concentrate shrimp at the center before lifting. Quickly sort and release undersized shrimp, then keep legal catch chilled on ice or in a saltwater bucket to preserve texture. If the net tangles, pause, anchor the lead line with your foot, untwist the webbing methodically, then ready any knots. Resuming with a clean, untangled net prevents repeated failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.